It's a 2016 Toyota Highlander. It was made with power, space, and comfort for the fast-paced, schedule-packed, barely time-to-breathe life you experience every day. The athletic design shows off its eagerness to get going with its responsive engine and 6-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with super safe snow mode. Never stress over space again with plenty for family, friends, and cargo. Even when there's more cargo than people, the Highlander accommodates with a 60/40 third-row folding flat. Your gadgets will never go dark with 3 12-volt auxiliary power outlets, and the Entune multimedia bundle with high-resolution display provides endless entertainment options. Plus, you'll always keep pushing ahead with Hill Start Assist and with the Star Safety System watching your back.
Loading and unloading your vehicle just got easier with the Power Liftgate. Hindsight is 20/20 with a backup camera. You might take a drive just to listen to the premium sound system.
Like a good soldier, this Highlander is at attention and ready for its next mission. Take it for a test drive today.
Call, click, or stop into Milton Ruben Toyota. We're easy to find at 3510 Washington Road in Augusta, Georgia.